Today I'm going to be showing you the Metcalfe Models 00 gauge pub and shops kit and how I'm going to put it together for my first model railway. Okay, so we've got the 00 low relief pub and shops kit here from Metcalfe that I'm talking about, and I shall be building. And I noticed on the back that there's a number of different ways of putting these together, and there's obviously other kits available too. To give me an idea, I've got my art shop kit that I put together last year as a rough idea, to give me sort of an idea of the size and scale of things. These are all 3-story houses, so obviously it's going to be somewhat bigger, but I'm guessing, well, I can see from the picture that you can actually put things in different order. It doesn't necessarily have to follow the order they've got, and now that I've switched over the track plan, I think it's probably going to be good that I've got maybe this building at the what I would call the entrance end. We'll have to see. I guess that's really the only way I can build it, unless I have two of the same and I can imply a street going off, but that's making it much more complicated. Anyway, so we'll have a look inside. I only need one of these, so let's get these out. Disposable ones. Okay, so these are not 100% kind of indestructible, and put that there, and then check. So looking at the pack, you can see that we've got the blinds that come down roughly maybe a fifth of the way on there, half the way on there. I could go back and probably take out a bit more of that fluff. Just a gentle paring down. Look down here. Okay, so we're starting off on a different day, and getting back down to the kit. So basically I just got to the point where I was working on the blinds, and now I'm going to put the window frames in and go on from there. So now I'm moving on to installing the window frames and the curtains. I'm going to do a dry run to make sure that I've got them all the right way up, because there's kind of a number of different styles of window here. Now to start gluing them all down. I'm now going to bend round the tabs for the door frame to be able to actually mount the door on. And here I'm cutting out the doorstep, which will keep the frames and the door square. So that's it for this video. Next up will be adding the floors in and making it look more like a proper building. So that's a good start for last week. Coming up, I'll be showing you more of the buildings and also the completion of the shelves behind me. If you want to see more of this project and my first layout, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.